My name is Sangeetha Thomas, and I'm a licensed professional counselor and the owner of Nepsis Counseling in Dallas, Texas. As a clinician who specializes in working with trauma, multicultural identity, and spiritual identity, I'm very excited for this year's mental health conference presented by the Center for Asian American Christianity at Princeton Theological Seminary and Rosemead School of Psychology at Biola University. My plenary will explore ruptures that seem impossible to repair. We'll define the cultural and traumatic circumstances that contribute to these types of ruptures. We'll explore the nuance of grieving and the spiritual implications of prolonged rupture. And we'll invite this human experience of separation into the fullness of our Christian identity to be healed by the peace and love of Christ. I hope you register for this year's conference, and I look forward to meeting you all in LA this April.